ugly out here. You don't have to be in there with me unless you want to be.
So you see the foot?
Yeah, that's gonna have
and the light came on.
Yeah, she's losing air, so let's put the spare on there for you. Do you have the spare in the trunk? Oh, you're good. You can just, yes, ma'am, $75.
Pay you now.
Oh, well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. So here's what we got, people. Got a 2023 Camry?
No, 2018.
2018, okay, it's still nice Camry. Doing a tire change on this Camry here, guys. Thank you. Oh, no, I'm just going to put that in the trunk for you. Is the trunk open?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just leave that open and I'll go ahead and throw that in there for you. No, you're good. It's getting a little chilly out here now, guys. I usually wear my hat in this weather, but I don't have it in.
Sorry, you come out the cold.
Oh, no, you're fine. This is what we do. All right, so... prefer doing roadside in the cold rather than in the heat, because in the cold you can warm up real easily by just getting inside your car, and in the heat, once it's hot, you're sweaty, your clothes start sticking, nothing feels right. But that's just me. To each his own. Torque stick. Show y'all the damage taken to this tire. It still holds air and everything, but customer was concerned about it, as she should be, because look at this. Y'all see that? That bulge? That's almost about ready to explode. So just gonna put that in her trunk. was it. Customer prepaid $75 in cash before I began. And this is another service that you can offer if you want to start a roadside assistance business. If you already have one and you're not charging $75, let me put you on. If you're not getting enough customers calling your business, let me put you on. That's what we do. As always, the next step is to take pictures and document. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do. Hope every license plate. And that's about it. Now I'm going to call the customer, tell her I'm done, and we're out of here. Thanks for watching.